Hello, welcome to iFixTouch. So this time we are trying to fix this X1 Nano, a very small machine that is not working. As usual, first of all, remove the cover, all the screws, cover is out. Now, first thing we're gonna do is remove the battery. Yes, start with the first screw. You always want to remove the battery first. You don't want to play with anything on the computer while the battery is connected. You want to avoid damaging any component of the motherboard by playing with it while the battery is connected. Right? Battery is out. Now let's start removing connectors. This one is the trackpad and the keyboard one. They are just like a snap in. You just can just remove it with your tool. Let's disconnect this one, release the clamps, and then just pull it. This is the fan. Be careful with this one. Disconnect the antennas. Now disconnect the LCD screen. With you can use this black stick. It is how they call it to use it. It's really easy to work with this one. Disconnect this little connector from here. Make sure you don't pull the cable. Use the connector, like with the connector itself, with the white part. Now you can start removing the screws after you disconnect all the connectors on the old motherboard, the motherboard that is not working. Remove the screws. To make it easier for you, put all the screws like the same kind of a screw, put it all together, like the screw for the motherboard, put them all together so you don't get confused later. Let's remove the heatsink with the fan. You need that smaller screwdriver in this case. Don't try like me to do it with the bigger one, because you may strip off the screws here. Don't forget this little guy that holds the fan, this little screw. Right, fan is out with the heatsink. Now just do the SSD along with the SSD heatsink. Remove the SSD. Don't try to pull it towards you, or you might damage the connector. Just slide it to the side. Remove the pad. You might use it. Yes, you wanna use the pad. So now you're just gonna do a quick look around. Oh, we're forgetting this little guy here. Let's remove it in the middle of the motherboard. So now you want to remove the cables that are around and just pull the motherboard. So once you remove all the screws, it just come easy like this. Here's the new one. Let's put the new one. When you put it, make sure like this that there is no cables behind the motherboard. Try to put it all to the front. Remove the cables that are behind the motherboard. Make sure no cables get trapped under the motherboard. Once you do that, once all the cables are on the top part, on the top side, put all the screws that belongs to the motherboard, put them back. You can follow the ones that I'm putting right now, but mostly the motherboard should say, it has like a little mark that say where each motherboard goes. If you're liking the content, don't forget to subscribe, give me your like. And if you have any question, give me your comment too. Leave a comment down there and I'll do my best to respond. Okay, let's connect then the trackpad, just like a snap pin. Just put it right on the way it should go, and just push it all the way down until you hear the clip. Let's connect the screen. Be careful with this one. Try to put it like in front, and then just use your tool to slide it all the way. You don't want to damage the connectors. Same thing with the cable for the camera and mic. Just put it, like in the front, nice and easy. And you use your tool to kind of slide it in all the way in, and make sure it's clamped like with the, this is like on the down position. This piece here for the antennas, they are really tricky. They also are like a snap in. Put it on the like percent, then percent to the connector, and just use your tool to push them down until you hear the clips. Just push all the way down, and it should work. They're really tricky. Sometimes if you're doing this the first time, it might take you a while to do the antennas cables. All right, let's keep connecting the cables. This one, the new motherboard, comes already with the thermal paste for the SSD, so we didn't need to use the old one. So you can trash that old one. For the SSD, just do now the work, but in reverse. Slide it all the way in. Don't forget to put the heatsink, then the screws. Remember, every time you put in the heatsink, you need to apply new thermal paste. Let's put the heatsink on the fan. Remember, for the fan, you need that smaller screwdriver. You don't want to damage the screws, or it's gonna be way more difficult to screw them back. Don't forget to the one that goes on the fan. Let's connect the fan. This is like a little flex cable, so just snap that in until the white line is in the right position. Give a quick look just to make sure that you're not forgetting anything. Like me right now. Yeah, I forgot this little cable down here. See? Yeah, it's gonna be hard to take it out. That's why you have to avoid. That's why before you put the cover, you need to give a quick look and make sure everything is connected. So I forgot this little guy down here. Luckily we see it on time. Right, same thing, just put it in position, then slide all the way in. Put the screw back. Battery is the last thing that you want to do. The battery. Okay, make sure everything is nice and easy. Just connect it. Once it's connected, start putting the screws. Sweet, battery is good. Now back over. Yeah, no, this way. Turn it around. It also have like some hooks. You wanna, make sure you put it front, like the front part first, and then just snap it back. Once again, if you're liking my videos, if you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe. Give me that thumbs up, and I hope this video helped you to fix your problem. So the motherboard change fixed the no power issue. See you in the next one.